Hello there, Makerworld just launched a crowdfunding feature, but nobody associate Makerworld with buying stuff. And can they even compete with Indiegogo and Kickstarter? As of right now, only people who got an invite can make a campaign on Makerworld. But for everything else, it is the exact same thing as Kickstarter. Only we do not know how much Makerworld are taking of percentages from the campaign. But why did they do this? On their website, they said they want to fund wild and creative projects so people can get paid for their work. And if you think about it, why would a 3D printing company compete against Kickstarter and Indiegogo that are well established, everybody knows them, and they have so many users? I can only think about 4 reasons why this makes sense. The first one is attention. Crowdfunding needs a lot of marketing and need a lot of attention before it can work. And that is basically free marketing for Makerworld. Everybody wants their funds, so they promote it on Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere. The second reason is to attract elite content creators. Why be on printables or be on any other platform when you can get paid? Why not just go to Makerworld and make a crowdfunding page? There's also this illusion that because it is 3D printing enthusiasts on Makerworld, then there is a bigger chance for your campaign to succeed. It may be true or not, we do not know. The third thing is to just crush the competition. You got all these websites that have only a library, but with Makerworld, you got everything. Crowdfunding contests. It's like the Amazon of 3D printing platforms. Makerworld wants to give the consumer so many options that it does not make sense to go on printables, on Nextprint, or all the other platforms. And the fourth reason is people will buy more Bamboo Labs printers in the end. It could lead to more sales because everybody is on Makerworld. I'm pretty freaking sure that Bamboo Labs are losing so much money of having Makerworld. So the best thing is just to make people buy more printers or get funding from the crowdfunding. So can Makerworld, the all-in-one hub, compete with Kickstarter? No, because of the culture. Right now, people are on Makerworld to get free stuff that are just awesome and easy to print. These things are the bonus of having a Bamboo Lab printer. People go on Kickstarter to actually give their money and not just look around. I want to see how the community is reacting to this and how much Makerworld are taking from the funds. But thank you so much for watching.